Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to get your channel up and running. Let's get started. The first step is to create a Google account. Head over to google.com and click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set up a new account. Once you have your Google account ready, go to youtube.com and sign in using your Google credentials. Now, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and from the drop-down menu, select Create a Channel. Next, choose a name for your channel. Once you're done, click Create. Congratulations! You've created your YouTube channel. Now, let's customize it to make it stand out. Click on the Customize Channel button. You can also create a channel trailer to introduce your content to new viewer. This short video will automatically play when someone visits your channel. It's a great opportunity to hook your audience. First, upload a visually appealing channel art image. It should reflect your channel's theme or style. YouTube provides recommended dimensions, so make sure your image fits those guidelines. Now that your channel is all set up, it's time to upload your first video. Click on the Upload button, select the video file from your computer, and follow the on-screen instructions. While uploading, provide a catchy title, write a compelling description, and add relevant tags. These elements help your video appear in search results and reach a wider audience. Create playlists and group related videos together to enhance their discoverability. If your videos are for kids, features like personalized ads and notifications won't be available on videos made for kids. Select the type of content, make sure it is relevant. Add relevant tags for your video. Tags improve video discoverability by helping search engines and YouTube's algorithm understand content, leading to targeted audience reach and increased visibility in search results and recommendations. You can also add screen to add at the ending of video, mainly next video or subscribe button. Choose visibility to public, so that everyone can see your videos. Here are some tips for the title, description, thumbnail and tags of your video. Let's see some tips on optimizing your videos for discovery. Long-tail keywords are specific and usually consist of 3 or more words. They target niche audiences, have lower competition, and help attract highly relevant viewers to your content. Short-tail keywords are general, 1 or 2 word search terms with high traffic but limited specificity. So, how do we use it? Using short-tail keywords boosts visibility, but combining them with long-tail keywords helps reach diverse audiences and niche segments, driving growth and engagement on your YouTube channel. Here are some tools for keywords research. Congratulations! You're well on your way to building a successful YouTube channel. Remember to regularly check your channel analytics to gain insights into your audience, their preferences, and engagement. Promote your channel on other social media platforms to attract more viewers. Share your videos on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other platform where your target audience hangs out. Consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborations can expose your channel to a new audience and bring in more subscribers. Here are some do's and don'ts which you should strictly follow. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.